Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to the answer section of Hot or Hubak. It was a quiz in the loving memory of Saraswandra Sahoria. So it was an Indian music and Indian movies quiz. So those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe the channel. Without doing any further delay, let's move on to the answers. So here, remembering Saraswandra Sahoria was by the organizer. So Kaustubh Moni Sahoria, thank you Kaustubh Moni Sahoria da. He contacted me a month back to host this quiz. So thanks a lot. Thanks to all these people who helped me with the voice and the instrumentals. And special thanks to Abhijit and Andy who helped a lot during the set and while making the set. So question number 1. So who are we looking for? The first person who was the sponsor for the Chennai Calls team, making him the first sponsor of the chess great Viswanathan Anand. So it was a tribute question. So remembering the legend SPB, SP Balasubramaniam is what we were looking for. You are forever, sir. So moving on to the next question, question number 2. So looking for a particular singer who was also in news because of a certain withdrawal because of personal and family issue. So this is Meruthia Gangster, which is a 2015 Indian Hindi language crime comedy film written and directed by Jishan Kadri. So there was a song there. So in that particular movie, there was a song which was sung by a very famous person who was in news. So that part is important. Who was also in news for a certain withdrawal because of personal and family issues. So this is indeed Suresh Raina. So we are all missing him in IPL 2020. So the song was Tu Mili Sab Mila. Suresh Raina is what we were looking for. Moving on to question number 3. So this was a two-part question. Who and what contribution and what was founded. So what we were looking for was, so 1930s and 1940s, so those were the giveaway hint. So those were the clues where we had to work on. So Walter Kaufman is the person, and All India Radio theme song is for the first part, and Bombay Chambers Music Society is what we are looking for the second part. So Bombay Chamber Music Society, 10 points. Walter Kaufman and All India Radio theme song, 5 plus 5. So total 20 question to grab in this question. Question number 4. So looking for a person. So talked about a particular company which got its name from portmanteau of two companies. So 1929 it was formed by a merger of operation of Dutch company and British soap maker. So because of a specific connection of a person to get a famous stage name, the person's career's beginning can be easily traced from this movie. So this movie, and who are we looking for? So this is indeed Tum Par Hum Kurban, the movie. So it was debut of John Prakash Rao, and Johnny Lever got his name from the Hindustan Unilever. So Johnny Lever got that title Lever because he worked in Hindustan Unilever. So company which we are talking about in 1929 merger was Hindustan Unilever, and Lever of Johnny Lever was from there. So John Prakash Rao or Johnny Lever will fetch you full points. Moving on to question number 5. So this one was a pretty easier question. The first para of which very famous song? The first para of first two para of which very famous song? Which is from a movie whose name is basically taken from two central character in the movie. So two central character being Geet and Govindam. So Geet and Govinda, and the song being Yenti Yenti. Could have played the song as well for you, or so that you could have relate, but due to probably keep myself safe from copyright issue, I have scrapped that part. So if you want to know, if you didn't relate this question, please listen to this, and you will surely, like, you will surely relate after you get what the song is. So Geet Govindam and Yenti Yenti will fetch you full point. So Yenti Yenti is good enough. So we on to question number 6. So we had a particular song. So from that we had two-part question. So identify the modern day Indian state. The other famous song whose hymn was adopted in Gagan Harkara's song Ami Kothai Pabo Tare. So looking for the partition song. So it became one of the key songs for the anti-partition movement in the Bengal presidency in 1905. So the voice which was played was যদি কেউ ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে. So the answer is the modern day state is Jharkhand, and Amar Sonar Bangla is what we are looking for in the second part. So these two songs were written in the same time. So and the answer is the answer is Jharkhand and Amar Sonar Bangla. So 10 plus 10. So moving on to question number 7. So identify the rest two. It was a pretty giveaway question. Kabir Singh was given, so identify the other two. So won't waste much of time in this question. So this is Arjun Reddy and Aditya Verma. Sequence doesn't matter. So this is 5 plus 5. For Arjun Reddy you are getting 5 points, and for Aditya Verma you will get 5 points for 5 plus 5. Question number 8, pretty easy one. So Kappan is a 2019 Indian film. It was given that it has something to deal with agriculture issue. So what was the issue that was in news in the mid of 2020? So in the mid of 2020 there was a particular news all around. So the agriculture issue. So which agriculture issue it has to deal with in this movie Kappan? So which is an Indian Tamil language film. So this is in this locust swarm. So locust is good enough. So moving on to next question, question 9, easy one. So identify him. A movie with the same name also came out in 2010 based on him. As I said, it was in news for some reason. So the reason being Irfan Khan's death, and the answer being Pan Singh Tomar. So moving on to next question, question number 10. So we listen to a particular song. So after that, this film is a remake of one famous Bollywood movie which was released 15 years earlier than the Telugu film. So name both the movies. So easy one. Name both the movies. Since this song was a giveaway for one part, other part is where you need to work out. So if you know how to read Telugu, then it was a giveaway. So this is indeed Kashmir Ki Kali and Shungara Ramadu. So moving on to the question number 11. So born in Rawalpindi, now in Pakistan, on 21 July 1930, his ancestors were Mohilal Brahmins and Kuri near Rawalpindi and had their origins in Kashmir. So who are we talking about? His family arrived in Delhi via Dakota aircraft and then migrated to Pune, then married and settled finally in Delhi. So who are we talking about? So very famous lyricist. Indeed, legendary poet lyricist Anand Bakshi, probably easiest of all. Even the photo was given. Moving on to the next question, question number 12. So, with the help of the poster of the sequel, identify the movie. So, this is the song folio of a particular SMS movie which can be marked as the advent to SMS commercial cinema. So, this is a song folio of which particular movie. Not looking for the sequel, but the answer what we are looking for is Dr. Bezburwa, and the sequel being Dr. Bezburwa 2. So, Nipen Goswami will be directing Dr. Bezburwa 2, including his own Siddhartha Goswami in the star cast. So, Dr. Bezburwa is what we are looking for. Moving on to next question, question number 13. So, fill in the blanks with the person who wrote his autobiography during his prison term in Bankipur jail. So, Ganga Maiya Tohe Pyari Chadai Wo. So, was released in 1960s at Veena Cinema, Patna. So, this film was directed by Kundan Kumar and produced Viswanathan Prasad Shehbadi on the behest of Dest. So, fill in the blanks with the person who wrote his autobiography during his prison term in Bankipur jail. So, the person was a president as well, and he wrote his autobiography in Bankipur jail, and this is indeed Dr. Rajendra Prasad. When it is Bihar, the answer should be Rajendra Prasad. So, if you have noticed one thing, though it was a Indian music and Indian movies quiz, we have tried to cover as many topics as possible, be it sports, be it politics, be it anything. We have tried to cover as much as we can. Hope you like this idea. Do comment. Moving on to question number 14. So, in question number 14, we heard a particular song in a particular language. So, singer of this song is known for the melodious voice, not just in Hindi but also in many different languages. Lyrics by Devi Prasad and composed by Kuwar Singh Babla. This song is in which language? So, language is what we are looking for. And who is the singer of the song? So, who is the singer, as in singer of the original song, obviously, who is known for the melodious voice, not just in Hindi but also in many different languages. So, this is indeed Lata Mangeshkar, Lata Di, and Garhwali is what we are looking for the first part. So, Garhwali and Lata Mangeshkar is what we are looking for. Question number 15. Which character from a very famous movie is based on him? So, who is this? This is indeed Sonam Wangchuk. The answer we were looking for is Phunsukh Wangru from 3 Idiots. So, Phunsukh Wangru will fetch you full points, no point for Rancho, because the character Rancho or Ranchojat Chanchad is not inspired from Sonam Wangchuk, but the character Phunsukh Wangru, which is in the later part of the movie, is inspired from Sonam Wangchuk. While in Ladakh, the scenes from Ladakh and the school, innovative school, so those parts were inspired from the Amir Khan's character basically. So basically I am looking for Phunsukh Wangru. So in case of tie, we will also look if for the answer Rancho or Rancho Das Chanchad, but for points now, Phunsukh Wangru is what we are looking for. Question number 16. So once Lata Mangeshkar ji couldn't report for recording, this gave an idea to the eccentric AKG. So what we are looking for, which movie are we talking about, and who is AKG? So what he convinced music director Salil Chaudhary and went on to do it in a final recorded version with AKG. So something was done. So which movie and who is AKG? So this is indeed Abhas Kumar Ganguly. So AKG stands for Abhas Kumar Ganguly, aka Kishore Kumar. So movie being Half Ticket. So paying tribute to Kishore Kumar ji on his death anniversary. So today is also the birth anniversary of very famous person who is connected to Indian movie and Indian music. Do comment down below who are we talking about. You can somehow connect it with the famous song Chaturnar. Moving on to question number 17, we are looking in question number 17. We had a video basically, not audio. After that, this was the question. So, if you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles, and there's a poster. So, what are we looking for? So, this is indeed जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए and जुर्म. So the song जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए is basically inspired from the very famous song 100 Miles, and the movie Jurm is inspired from the movie poster, the movie whose poster is given in the question. So moving on to the penultimate question. So in this question we are looking for two parts. Identify the instrument which get its name from one particular mythological character. So mythological character being Ravan, so the instrument is obviously Ravana Hatta, and also give this another similar instrument in the lute category from the northeastern state of Manipur. So this one was a tough one. So Ravana Hatta and Pena is what we were looking for. So before moving on to the last question, thank you for joining the quiz. Thank you for making the quiz a success. Hope you liked the quiz. Do comment how you found the quiz, and do subscribe the channel if you are yet to done. And whenever we are done with the finals, we will upload the finals for the play along service. So from there we will have the best audience prizes as well. So we have cash prizes for the best audience as well. So don't get disconnected after the prelims is over, after the answers are over. Please stay connected, as we have audience prizes, audience cash prizes as well. So if you play along with the finalists and give correct answers along with them, so you will get the best audience prizes as well. So stay connected. So moving on to the last question, question number 19, easy one. Name the movie. This is a very this is a scene from a 2019 Indian Malayalam language romantic comedy film directed by Omar Lulu. So this particular it was a particular scene which was very viral. So that is obviously Priya Prakash Warrior's swinging scene, and the answer being Urwadar Love. So that's all from the Hot or Hubak prelims. Hope you will wait for the results for the prelims and stay connected till we upload the finals. And thank you for joining.